everyone. A consumer is a person who buys any product or avails any service for consideration which have been paid or promised or partly paid and partly promised or under any scheme or deferred payment. It includes any user of such goods when such use in hand and with the approval of the buyer. A nominee of the insurance policy wife has been held to be the consumer as she is the beneficiary of the services hired by the policyholder husband after his death. It does not include a person who obtain goods for resale or any commercial purpose or avail any services for any commercial purpose. In such a case, he is a seller himself. So, children, we are doing the definition of consumer as per the Consumer Protection Act 2019. So, Consumer Protection Act says that it does not include a person who obtain a goods for resale or any commercial purpose or avails any service for any commercial purpose. Remember that. So now, like who can file a complaint? Any consumer, any registered consumer association, central government, state government, one or more consumer on behalf of the numerous consumer, or legal heir or representative of a diseased consumer. Now, against whom a complaint can be filed? The seller, manufacturer, or dealer of a goods which are defective. Defect means any fault, imperfection, or shortcoming in the quality, quantity, or purity of goods. The provider of services, if any deficient in any manner. Deficiency means any imperfection, shortcoming, or inadequacy in the quality, nature, and manner or performance of service. Now, children, there are redressal agencies under Consumer Protection Act 2019. First is District Forum. Here, the cases of 1 crore till 1 crore will apply, and supposedly, in case the aggrieved party is not satisfied with the order of the District Forum, he can appeal before the State Commission within 45 days of passing of the order. Now, State Commission, a complaint can be filed to the appropriate State Commission when the value of goods or services along with the compensation is exceeds 1 crore to 10 crore, but it should not exceed 10 crore. In case the aggrieved party is not satisfied with the order of the State Commission, he can appeal before the National Commission within 30 days of passing of the order. Now, National Commission. A complaint can be filed to the appropriate National Commission when the value of goods or services along with the compensation claimed exceed 10 crore or above. In case the aggrieved party is not satisfied with the order of the National Commission, he can appeal before the Supreme Court within 30 days of passing of the order. And if you are not satisfied with the National Commission, the people can go to the Supreme Court. Now, children, there are few very important things, that is rights of the consumer. First right is right to safety. The consumer has a right to be protected against goods and services which are hazards to life and health. Second is right to be informed. The consumer has a right to have complete information about the product he intends to buy, including the ingredient, date of manufacturing, price, quantity, and direction. Right to choose. The consumer has the freedom to choose from a variety of the product at the competitive rates. This implies that the marketer should offer a wide variety of the products in terms of the quality, brand, prices, size. Right to be heard. The consumer has a right to file a complaint and to be heard in the case of dissatisfaction with the goods or service. It is because of this reason that many enlightened business firms have set up their own consumer service and grievances cell. Fifth is right to seek redressal. The consumer has a right to get relief in case the product or service falls short of his expectations. The Consumer Protection Act provides a number of the relief to the consumer, including replacement of the product, removal of the defect in the product, compensation paid for any loss or injury suffered by the consumer. Sixth right is right to consumer education. The consumer has a right to acquire knowledge and to be well informed consumer throughout the life. He should be aware about his rights and the relief available to him in case of a product or service falling short of his expectation. Now, children, responsibilities of a consumer.